I put this one in here? Oh no. Just put this way.
So it's the day before the big move-in day, and I have to go up there again one more time to clean things up, get the room all ready for the bigger furniture to come in. And I also decide why not just bring some clothing items, my shoes and things, so that I can just put in there and I have some clothes to change the next day. The amount of clothes I have is actually insane. Like, I think I need to go through them and also get rid of some things when I'm up there too.
Stay with you just one moment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Could I get the pig 2 with the roasted turkey and avocado BLT?
The first one will be chicken noodle soup, and then do you have the barbecue mac and cheese by any chance?
Okay, anything else for you today?
I think that'll be it.
Awesome. Do you have a phone number with us?
I'm so excited for you to see it for the first time today.
But it's mainly special because it's like your own space, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I can do with like a mediocre apartment, but it's special because it's like yours.
Go have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good day. Do you want to double check we have everything?
Yeah. Ooh, it smells so good.
Is that your chicken noodle soup?
Yeah. Oh, they gave me a big old mac.
Whoa. Wait, that's huge. Can I have some?
Yeah. Oh, I like this place already.
Right here?
Yeah. Right here!
Yeah. Should we carry some stuff in right now, or should we wait?
Maybe we can carry in.
I'll just carry one of the clothes bags.
Yeah. Thank you. Sir, what do you think of the place?
Pretty good.
I know, right? Are you okay?
Yep.
Looks like you're crying.
No, just yawning.
Some things that we should do is probably vacuum. I need to vacuum this room. I think I might just put all of like my clothing bags into the closet, vacuum everything, and then once I settle in with all the furniture, then I can like put things in my dresser and the closet. We need to dust off and like Clorox wipe the counters and ow, that just shocked me. The cabinets.
Over the top of the cabinets, probably.
Yeah, the top of the cabinets me and my mom can't reach. And then there's also like these like plastic things that my mom was thinking maybe we can cut them and then put them in these drawers. Hi guys, so at this point in the video, I actually went back to my house and started to pack like crazy because I literally procrastinated to the last second and packed everything the night before I actually move in. So if you haven't already, be sure to check out my packing video to get the full effect and the timeline of my move-in process. And don't forget to leave it a like, please. So at the end of my packing video is now what these nice clips are and are basically just my big move-in day. Hope you enjoy. So right now I have almost everything packed. I have pretty much just my big furniture left over, my TV, my drawer, and I also have a box of all of my decorations. So I'll probably be taking that with me. So the game plan right now is that my dad has a U-Haul truck outside. I have my own car, and then we also have my sister's fiance helping us out move, and then we also have movers at the location of my apartment that we hired to help move things in. I unfortunately can't lift too much because I do have an arm injury, but luckily we have plenty of people to help out. So we're gonna be taking 3 separate vehicles total because I'm also picking up Adrian to help me move things in and sell things in after everyone leaves. My dad will be taking the mattress and all the big furniture. I will be taking some of the fragile things like my decoration and like my technology stuff, and then Alicia's fiance will help pick up any other items that we can't fit in either vehicle. First things first, I need to like get ready because I am in the same clothes as last night. I woke up at like 7 today because I of course procrastinated till the last second, and I've been packing non-stop since. Kind of crazy. I mean, like, this is my house that I grew up in, and this is my first time like moving out. Of course I have moved into a sorority and it wasn't really much of a move move-in because I lived so close to home and only packed my clothes after that. And the year after that, I pretty much stayed home the entire year since COVID happened. I'm excited for a fresh new start, but also I feel like I didn't really have the time to like sit down and like kind of embrace my whole goodbye. So I'm pretty hungry right now since it is lunchtime, and I'm gonna probably get a bite, and then after that we're gonna get things loaded into the truck.
What about that basket?
That's garbage and recycling.
No, this basket.
Oh, that? I'll take it with me.
All right. Okay.
We are done loading the truck, and now I need to go drive and pick up Adrian. My dad and my sister's fiance, on the other hand, are gonna go to the apartment first. So, let's go.
Can we take a break?
We're gonna get Chipotle! What's your go-to order?
Like a bowl,
What's in the bowl though?
meat and rice. Any other questions?
You sound like professors, like, oh, what's gonna be in the homework? Oh yeah, it's gonna be...
Any other questions? No? Okay.
Oh, no,
Moving
okay,
on.
yeah.
Or after my databases class, when he's like, any questions? I'm like, yeah, what the fuck?
Yeah, yeah! Let's get some food! Hi guys, it is currently the next day now. For privacy reasons, the movers did not want it to be filmed, which is totally understandable, so I ended up not doing any sort of filming yesterday after we got in. As you saw, me and Adrian actually ended up moving some things around. Yeah, so I have all of my big furniture set up, but not any of my decor, which I'll go ahead and give you a little tour of what my apartment looks like right now. So when you walk in, right now my bathroom has absolutely nothing, just some boxes here. The kitchen is kind of a mess, as you can see. We have like a bunch of trash and recycling over there. I have some water right here. My mom actually gave me this whole bottle of Fanta, Sprite, and Coke bottles. It's mainly for Adrian though, because Adrian really likes soda. Moving into the living room, we have my couch right here. We have some bar stools. We also have this desk that is a standing desk that my parents actually set up for me. So thank you so much to my dad and my sister's fiance. It's super nice. It's like a glass top and it has some little USB ports. It has height setups right here. It can go up and down, and there's also a timer. I haven't plugged it in quite yet, but it's super nice. We got this at Costco for like $200 too, which it is expensive, but for a standing desk, that's really nice. And it's like glass top too with all these nice drawers. Moving on to the other side of the living room, we have my TV as well as my TV stand. There is also these glass tops that's supposed to go under right here. I'll probably be doing that today as well. And then moving into my bedroom, we have my laundry basket, the drawers, my bed, nightstand, Alex drawers, and then of course the mirror. So it's pretty much the exact same layout as my old room, since I do like that layout a lot. There's also a box of all of my decor from my old room too, which I'll probably be setting up, but that'll probably be in like a room makeover video. And yeah,